Still doesn't want me to remove the RAM. That would usually be the first thing to go in a computer disassembly, is the RAM would come out first, and then everything else would follow. Bottom, okay. One more screw here. That should be all three, right? 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. 3 along that side. Now I need to disconnect the... Ooh, this is a terrible angle. I can't access that. So before I yank this off, I have to disconnect this plug. Lovely. How am I supposed to disconnect it though if I can barely reach into the computer? Absolutely no idea. Let me take the RAM out. That might help me just a tad. Because it's in my way. There we go. I really rotate the display away from me and rest it against the screen. Like, what? Yes, this is my first time taking this apart. Alright, where's the caption? Ah, I see. Exactly where it's captioned. It's captioned on the lip. So all I need to do is lift it up. Kind of guide this guy past. Oops. And be as gentle as I can to this, but okay, that's freed. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Okay, there we go. Hold it. Make sure there's nothing else connected. This piece over here doesn't want to budge. So I need to figure out why. Did I forget to screw or something over here? I may have forgotten to screw. Hold on. Because the clips are engaging, I think. Okay, there it goes. Yep, it's sliding. It's coming off. Alright, we're good. It's just a little bit feisty with me. But it came off in the end. Good there. So now we're going to lift this up. Gentle. If I break any cables, this iBook is garbage. And that'll do that. If I break anything, this iBook is Done. Like there is no saving it. Okay, I need to see what's connected and what's going where. Hold it, hold it, hold it. This is what I'm fearing. This is the part that's difficult, is unplugging this little guy. Is there a connector for that guy? Not somewhere where I can access it. Okay, I'm just tearing tape. Okay. So that's okay to pull down on. Slowly. There we go. Okay, now I have enough space to pull this guy out. I'm just kind of walking it out. Hold on, hold on, hold on. The shielding is not going to appreciate when I'm done. I hear tearing. This is the difficult part, is unplugging this. I just want to upgrade the hard drive, and to do that I have to walk the connector. Careful. Up the socket. Okay, that one's out. So these guys, this little tool here helped a lot. So that's now unplugged. So now I can move it over. I hope it still works when I put it back. This little piece here of metal is in my way. That doesn't help me at all. If I could unplug it, that goes to the speakers. This is the power connection. This will probably never go back on again. This one's a little bit more difficult. Oh, that popped right out. Perfect. Okay, no more hair-raising extensions there. Let me make sure this guy's not popped out at all. Okay, it's okay. It's in one piece, so we're good. Looks like someone's been in here before, apparently. Pain. And here's the fun part. The million screws that have to be removed. Yay! Like, oh, here's the fun part. The 5 bajillion screws. 9 is going to be this whole thing. This is not going to be very fun. Okay. Alright, here comes the fun part. And now I need to remove all these screws. Every single one needs to come out. Or to get at the top shielding, yeah, it all has to come out. I know, it sucks. Apple products are sexy, but they are a pain. Hold on, what's my time at? 40 more minutes. Alright, I'm going to cut it here and start another part, just to cut down file sizes.